Father and 6-year-old son killed in Portland car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 6-year-old boy and his father died as a result of injuries they sustained. The child has been identified as Jaden Woolery, a resident of Sherwood Forest, and his father, 53-year-old David Woolery, a resident of Zion Hill, both in neighboring communities in Portland. Reports are that at around 10:18 p.m., David was driving a grey Suzuki Swift motor car with Jaden and a little girl as passengers when the car collided with a red Toyota Corolla. The father and the two children were rushed to hospital, where the son and the father succumbed to their injuries. The other child, who is Jaden's sister, has been admitted in stable condition. The driver of the red Toyota car has been warned for prosecution. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.